Okay, so today was kind of mid for me at least. It was honestly pretty easy if I wasn't trying to be so cautious about my trades. Um, we had a lot of liquidity to sweep down here. We came down and took all this. We took lows inside of this 1 hour bullish. We didn't come all the way down here and take these, but I didn't expect us to. We did. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. We disrespected this one. We respected this one, which we bounced up off of. And then the trade I took today could have been better, but it wasn't bad. I mean, I took an L on it, I'm not gonna lie. Um, so came down here, chopped for like 30 minutes. Well, chopped for like 20 minutes, came up, formed this fair value gap right here, in which um it wasn't a bad like setup. So I entered here. I wanted I was gonna I was gonna enter here once it came back down and tested it, but then it started going and I didn't wanna miss out and have to enter into a continuation long somewhere later on. So I entered there. We came to like 350 and drawdown here. Respected it, and then we came up here, and this is where I wanted to protect capital because I'm like 780 bucks away from blowing this account. Um, so I wanted to protect capital. So once we came up here, I just took the $250 loss, even though I had moved take profit to break even. And it does suck because I would have gotten break even and I didn't have to lose 250. Honestly, this might be a winning trade. I don't even know yet. Um, but it's in profit now, which is also why it kind of sucks. I mean, I did enter even when like this is the movement I really want because we're still earlier today we like this is still the high, which we did not take here. So I wanted to target this high. Um, this is the low of the movement for today, obviously. I did enter even though we were in the premium of the movement, and to be honest, I should have been patient and waited to enter once we did come down and test this 5 minute fair value gap. Because not only would I have been. Oh my gosh. My bad. Not only would I have been not in drawdown, I would have gotten to see it respect and then bounce off of. So I could have entered here, honestly. Because we also disrespected this 5 minute bearish that it made. And I would have been able to enter in the discounts instead of the premium, so I would have gotten better RR on it, and I could have definitely put this account back in profit. But honestly, it just is what it is at this point. I think I don't think I'll update or include in this video if it does hit TP or not. I think if you trade, you obviously would be able to just look at the markets later and know if we hit this high or not. But um, yeah, I mean, this is my notes for the day. The outcome was a loss, end of day P&L at minus 250. I risked 1%, end of day percent minus 0.5. Entered between 10:45 and 11:14. I think I entered closer to like 10:50. Only took one trade. Time frame I entered on was the 5 minute. I wasn't looking much at the 1 minute today just because of how choppy it was for that brief 20 minutes. I would call the price action choppy, or maybe even all right, but I would call it a little bit. Honestly, I'd call it all right. I guess it wasn't bad. Choppy is like Monday of this week. That was choppy, and Tuesday. Those were bad. Trading rules followed. Yes and no. Gonna be honest. When I entered this entry model, I did follow my rules. I was patient. I waited for it to come down and then up. I waited for the 5 minute to create, and then I waited um a decent bit for me to even protect capital, because at this point it did look like it was in a disrespect because it was so bearish while inside of the 5 minute already. Did I get scared though? Honestly, yes. I was confident in it. There wasn't much volatility, um, at the time at least when I entered. It was a little bit slow to move, but I wanted to protect capital, as you can see in my notes. So I took the 250 loss so I could protect myself from a $500 loss, so I could at least take two more trades on this account. And yeah, it does suck because it immediately just left drawdown as soon as I got out. And yeah, I guess that's why I need to control my emotions better and not be scared when taking a trade, because now I would be moving to break even um if I didn't move my TP to break even when I was in drawdown. So honestly, just kind of sucks. It is what it is, though. I guess this is just one of those things you gotta learn from. Don't be scared when you're in a trade. So yeah, I guess that's all for today. See you guys.